All right, day 4. You're probably going to get sick of me saying this, but it's a gorgeous day on Lake Superior. And today I'm going to finish mortising out the wall plates, and we're going to lay out the ridge beam, and probably start working on our girts and knee braces, I hope. So.
Gonna be in the shop, get in the shop.
Just gotta put my grip back in place.
All right, so we're wrapping up. You see a little bit of the pizza. It is Saturday night, pizza night, but that means it's day 4 of our build. We have completed wall plates and a ridge beam. Those are done. There's 19 mortises there. Glenn has almost got all the tenons cut and trimmed. We got what? 3 more tenons to cut
On the king post.
on the king posts.
Then there's a couple other ones.
Well, yeah, coming. So tomorrow we've got a stack of knee braces, rafters, and I don't think we've seen our girts yet, but they are coming. Glenn doesn't want you to see his girts. I'm not that shy.
You must be Scottish.
That's day 4. Oh, excuse me. Yep, that's it. Day 4. Done. Have a good night. See you later.